Ever found yourself caught in the exciting dreams of retirement, only for it to be a sudden fear by the uncertainty of it all? Well, meet Jane. Jane was just like you, hopeful yet slightly apprehensive about her retirement. She discovered a tool that turned her apprehension into anticipation, finding an easy way of using smart technology. Jane gained assistance from Deborah in learning how to harness the power of this easy way of using smart technology, an easy-to-use, sophisticated method that navigated her into planning her retirement roadmap. Once shown how, she found Deborah to be an invaluable coach, providing her with personalized and intuitive advice. This easy way of using smart technology became Jane's retirement planning guru, helping her make sense of her savings plans, showing her possibilities of making extra income. Deb showed her how best to organize her retirement wellness for a comfortable and secure future. It was like having a secret assistant helping her to design her retirement lifestyle plan. Not only was this easy way of using smart technology for her retirement guide, but it also became a lifestyle planner. It helped Jane explore potential avenues of building friendships that could fill her days with security and satisfaction, surrounding her with new opportunities. The AI became her personal concierge, suggesting travel destinations, local classes, and social groups that aligned with her interests. But it doesn't stop there. This easy way of using smart technology even helped Jane manage her fitness plans, ensuring she was well prepared for a fitness regime that suited her needs. It was like having a personal assistant, always ready to help. So, what happened to Jane's retirement worries? They simply vanished. Thanks to finding an easy way of using smart technology, Jane stepped into her retirement with confidence and excitement. Her retirement became an adventure, filled with a sense of security, enriching activities, and peace of mind. Finding an easy way of using AI is not just a tool, it's a game changer. It can turn your retirement planning from a daunting task into a delightful journey. It's your personal advisor, your lifestyle planner, your fitness manager, all rolled into one. Don't just dream about a fulfilling retirement, make it a reality. With this easy way of using smart technology, you're not just planning for retirement. You're designing a life of comfort, joy, and endless possibilities. So, why wait? Embrace the future with this easy way of using smart technology. After all, your legendary future is just a click away. Join a community of like-minded women and turn those retirement fears into a roadmap of joy.